What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike back at again with another video for you guys. In today's video, if you can't tell by the title, I'm going to be talking about the app known as BitMart. On BitMart, you can go and buy cryptocurrencies like Saitama Inu and other cryptocurrencies I've mentioned on the channel before. Without wasting any more of your time, let's start the video right now. Let's go. Real quick, if you guys are new to the channel and you haven't seen any of my videos before, like I said before, Dollar Mike, aka Michael Mitchell, I make videos talking all about personal finance here on the channel. So that means anything related to money. We got saving money, investing money, budgeting, credit cards, buying cryptocurrency exchanges, all the good stuff. It's all covered here. So if you enjoy stuff like that, then make sure you hit the like button on this video, subscribe to the channel if you want to, and check out those links down below, because those links down below will get you some free stocks, some free cryptocurrency, and some free other stuff like money back and gas with Get Upside. Either way, here we go. Let's talk about the BitMart platform, the BitMart app, show you guys pretty much a general overview of how to use the app, and we can go from there. So I'm sure you're wondering, you can buy Saitama on there. That's pretty cool. And other cryptocurrencies that's just not on a lot of other platforms, and it's pretty easy to use. So I'm going to go over it right here. Let's do it. So of course I got my phone right here. We got the BitMart app right there, and you're going to download the BitMart app from your local app store, whether that's the App Store, the Apple App Store, or you go to the Google Play Store or the Windows Store. That still exists, probably doesn't. Regardless, you're going to download the app. It's titled BitMart. You're going to go ahead and click on that, install it, make an account, all that kind of good stuff. It's actually pretty simple to set up and make an account. I think they only really ask for a password and your phone number, and then you can go ahead and add things like two-factor authentication, which I think you should have on all your accounts no matter what. Definitely you have that enabled. Security is a priority around here. Regardless, let's go ahead and open the app. It's very simple to set up an account, and I'm going to show you guys, now I'm not going to show you how to set up an account, but I'll show you guys the overall app. So let's go ahead and open that up. Either way, once I open it, we're going to Face ID that, and we are in. So once you open the app, once you create your account, all that good stuff, basically this is going to be the home page when you go and open the app any other time. On the home page, they show you relatively new news and stuff like that, or things that's going on in the crypto world, in the crypto space, because there's a lot going on in cryptocurrency every single day. If you guys didn't know, crypto.com arena, that's pretty cool. Regardless, here we go. So on the home page, you'll see all this good stuff right here. We got the person icon at the top left, which is pretty much your profile and whatnot. We'll get into that in a second. On the top right, we got notifications and another button. I think it's like a camera button. Yes, I believe it is a camera button. So that is the camera button for BitMart. If we scroll down a little bit, you can see some basic stuff like the price of Ethereum, price of Bitcoin, and the BitMart own cryptocurrency, which is the BMX cryptocurrency. So if you want to invest in BitMart and buy their own cryptocurrency and own in-house cryptocurrency, you can do that as well, sitting at 37 cents. Below that, you can see where it says buy and sell crypto. We'll get into that in a second, but you can do just that. You can buy and sell crypto. Below that, we have the referral, the earn, the chat, the spot, and the deposit. With referral, of course, makes perfect sense. You can go ahead and refer other people, and when you refer other people, if they buy something on BitMart or buy cryptocurrency on BitMart, you get a portion of that, and they also get a portion of that in the form of Bitcoin. So that's pretty cool. So definitely, if you guys want to sign up, you'll get a portion of Bitcoin when you go ahead and buy some cryptocurrency on BitMart. It doesn't have to be Bitcoin, but when you go ahead and use BitMart to buy whatever cryptocurrency you want to buy. Past that though, the earn tab is just like other cryptocurrency platforms where you can go in, you can actually earn interest on your cryptocurrency. They're a little limited here. There's not really that many options, and honestly, I probably wouldn't use this feature personally because there's other places where you can earn more interest on your cryptocurrency than BitMart, but that's perfectly fine. I'm just letting you guys know it is an option. Past that though, we have the chat feature. I haven't had to talk to BitMart support for anything yet, so haven't really used this, but this is where you would go to do it. Past that, we have the spot feature. The spot feature, I'm not really sure what this is, actually. I think you can just I'm not really sure what this is. I'm going to have to come back to that one. That's the only thing I don't know. I looked up I got everything else, but I'm not really sure what spot is. We'll come back to spot. We'll fast forward on over to the deposit. The deposit, of course, where you can go and deposit cryptocurrencies. Any cryptocurrencies that you may hold in a different crypto wallet, you can go ahead and deposit it into this wallet. And I did just that when I bought my Saitama Inu, which you can see is sitting right here at 1.9 billion of them. Overall, I had deposited some Tether pretty much into this wallet. It's as simple as clicking on Tether, clicking on deposit, and then there you go. There is my Tether wallet. So if you guys are friendly enough, sure, send me some free Tether. I would love it. They don't have to do that. Don't do that. But I'm just saying, if you want to, there you go. That's the wallet. You would copy that address into whatever, other wallet you have. You guys know if you're into the cryptocurrency space, you would copy that address into whatever crypto wallet you already have. And then you would send your Tether from that wallet to this wallet. And then you would convert that Tether to Saitama Inu. And that's where you buy the Saitama. But we'll get into all that in a second as well. So let's go back to the main page just to show you guys the rest. Below that, we can see we have some other options like top coins and gainers. This is pretty much what's going on in the market right now as far as everything plays out. And this is some of the ones I've been focused on and on my portfolio overall have looked at in general. So some of just the recent ones, but of course there are a lot of different cryptos you can go ahead and invest in on BitMart. Past that though, we're going over to the markets tab at the bottom. You can see as simple as that. Shows pretty much all the cryptos on the market, what they're doing, price action, all that kind of good stuff. And if you click on them, like CRO for instance, you click on them, you can see all the good details. You can see a line chart or a line graph, however you want to call it. You can see the 15-minute, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 1 day, the 1 week, not the 1 month, but the 1 minute, 5 minute, 30 minute, 2 hour. And I think after that is the 1 month actual chart. So let's go ahead and click on the 1 month chart. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense, doesn't it? Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. Okay, so yeah, you can do that as well if you want to. Below that, they just give you your basic order book and stuff like that. You don't really need to know any of this, but if you want to go ahead and buy CRO or any other crypto, it's as simple as clicking buy and then buying it with whatever cryptocurrency you have. Typically on here, I've noticed that Tether works the best pretty much. So if you have Tether on here, you can convert your Tether to whatever other cryptocurrency you would want to buy. And it's as simple as buying Tether on the platform or transferring Tether from a different crypto wallet. So let's go on back real quick and I'll scroll down and show you some more. Past that, like I said before, all the cryptocurrencies are here if you're interested in getting in any of these. And there's plenty on this platform for you to go ahead and buy that you can move anytime you want because it's your own crypto. You own it all. You have your own wallet for every single one of these cryptos on here, which is great. Unlike Robinhood because they still haven't released it. But I am #1 on that list again. Past that though, we scroll on over to the top. You can just see some more options as far as cryptocurrencies. We got NFT related cryptocurrencies. We got storage related cryptocurrencies, metaverse related cryptocurrencies. Definitely going to make a video about this coming soon, but if you guys don't know what the metaverse is, you definitely need to get educated on that very soon, but I'll help you out with that as well when I make that video. Regardless, I'm going to talk about some metaverse cryptocurrencies and some metaverse stocks that you could be invested in as well. So there you guys go. We'll talk about that in a future video. Past that though, we go on over to the trade tab. You can do just that. You can go ahead and pretty much exchange your Bitcoin for Tether or your Tether for Bitcoin or whatever cryptocurrency you want to exchange. You can do that in this particular tab. I haven't done that on this particular app before, but you can do it. It is an option for you if you wish to do something like that. So there you go. As far as futures go, I do not trade futures and I do not completely understand futures as far as futures go for stocks and cryptocurrency. So I'm not really going to cover this too much. From my understanding, I think it's somewhat like options, but somebody that trades futures and all that kind of stuff, definitely let me know down in the comment section below. I'm simply not educated enough on futures, so I don't want to give you guys the wrong information. So if you want to invest in futures when it comes to stocks or cryptocurrency, definitely let me know down in the comment section. Maybe I can learn it for myself and then teach you guys. But if you already know, then help somebody out down in the comment section if they have a question. That'd be great. Thank you very much in advance. Past that though, we're going over to the last tab. And the last tab is the assets tab. Pretty much every cryptocurrency that you would hold on the BitMart app. These are all the ones that you could have right here. You can see I have 0 of all of these because the only one I hold on the BitMart app currently is that Saitama Inu coin. So that's pretty much it as far as the basic tabs go. Like I said before, Tether, I can go ahead and click on Saitama. If I want to go ahead and buy some more Saitama, it's as simple as adding more money to my account first, and then I can go ahead and trade that Tether for some Saitama. So let's go ahead and go back to the home page. And if I wanted to add some money to my account, you can either transfer the money in. Like I said before, you can transfer the crypto in, your Tether in from another crypto wallet on into BitMart. You can do that. Or you can go ahead and click on where it says buy and sell crypto right here. This will take you to the page where you can go and buy and sell crypto on this actual app. Of course, I want to do Tether because it's the easiest one for me to go ahead and do and translate over on over to Saitama. Otherwise, if I transfer Bitcoin, you can do that as well. It doesn't matter. You can transfer Bitcoin on over if you want to do that. But if you transfer Bitcoin over, then you're going to have to convert that Bitcoin into Tether, which it doesn't matter. It takes a couple seconds. And then after you transfer it into Tether, then you can go ahead and buy Saitama. So it just makes sense. Just transfer everything as Tether if you can. But if you don't do that, then of course right here, you can just go ahead and buy some Tether straight up. So I will go ahead and just click on the Tether option, go ahead and add the amount of money. It says the limit minimum is $30 for me and the maximum is 20,000. I will go ahead and just add $100, or you can add whatever you want to add in USD. Click on buy, and it'll give you a couple of options on how you can buy the cryptocurrency. So you do have to pay a small fee. It looks like here I had to pay about $1.50 for MoonPay, and a little bit more than that, or a lot more than that actually, for Simplex. So of course, I'm gonna use MoonPay to go ahead and do that. You go ahead and click on buy, and pretty much you put in your email, your debit card or credit card number. I think you can do either one. Don't quote me on that. It might just be only debit cards or just bank accounts, but I use my debit card for it personally. I rarely ever do that, but I did use it for this. Use a debit card, simply sign up, get an email, all kind of good stuff. You'll be all good to go. You add the tether, it pops up in your account pretty much instantly, and you'll be all good to go when it comes to buying some Saitama. So let's say, for instance, I did want to go and buy some Saitama, and I already had some tether in my account. I would go ahead and click up here. I'll click and search Saitama because I know what it is. So click search Saitama. Right here is the order book for Saitama. Let's change that back to the 15-minute. And go ahead and click buy. I'm actually going to do a market order. So you can do limit orders or you can do market orders. If you guys don't know, limit orders basically allow you to go ahead and buy a stock or cryptocurrency at a specific price that you want to buy it at, versus with a market order, whatever the price is at the moment, once you hit that button, it's pretty much what you're going to get it at. Of course, it's a couple second delay and stuff like that, but overall, the market price is what the price is right now. That's what you'll pay for it for, and the limit order is what you would set as the price that you're willing to pay for it for, and that's pretty much that. So I will go ahead and switch on over to market order because I'm not too worried about it. It says optimal market price, and I can put in an amount of crypto I want to do. So let's just say if I had $100 in tether, you see here where it says 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. That's 100% of my money if I go ahead and click on 100%, and which is here showing 0 because I don't have any tether in my account. But if I had $100 worth of tether right now, then it would simply show as 100 right there. As you can see, my current balance on my tether is about 30 cents worth of tether. As you guys know, tether is a stable coin, so it's actually pegged to the US dollar. So pretty much it doesn't change that much as far as you transferring the crypto over. It could, but it doesn't really change as much. It shouldn't change as much as pretty much Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the other cryptos. This is a stable coin, so it's pegged to the US dollar. It should stay $1 pretty much forever. That's how it works. Either way, I would go ahead and do that. However much money I want to put into it, I would go ahead and click on the 100%, 20%, whatever, click buy. And you can see this says the minimum order is 5, so I had to buy at least 5 of these, but I don't have the money in my account right now. But once you click buy, it goes through. It's simply that, and then you will have your Saitama or whatever other cryptocurrency you decide to grab in your account. You can go on over to the assets tab and see that. If you want to withdraw, you can do the same exact process. I can go here and click withdraw, and I can withdraw this Saitama, all my Saitama, to a different wallet. Or if I want to go ahead and sell my Saitama, I can do that as well. I will go ahead back, click on trade, click on sell, do market order for sell or the limit order, and do how much I want to sell. Let's say I want to sell all my Saitama 100%. Click on sell, and then it would be converted into tether. But let's actually go ahead and test that out. I'm just going to sell like a very, very, very small amount. Let's see if this actually works. So I'll see if I can sell 5 Saitama Inu. And order place, auto market price. Let's see if I get it. Or once it fills and whatnot. I don't think it's filled just yet. But once it fills, it should convert on over to my tether wallet, which is right here, and then we'll be all good to go as far as that goes. Okay, so I cut forward. It actually did sell. I can go ahead and check my sell right here, and I have it right there. So we see a sell right there on the Bitcoin because I actually transferred the Bitcoin into tether, and I see the sell right here on the Saitama and the sell again on Saitama. Just want to double check to make sure it went through. It's extremely micro cents, so you wouldn't really notice it on my account unless I sold a lot of it. But I don't plan on selling a lot of Saitama, so there you guys go. I plan on buying more Saitama actually very soon. So there it is. You can do it just like that. If I sold a bigger amount, then yeah, it would go to my tether wallet. You probably didn't really notice a difference because there's basically no difference because because Saitama's not really worth that much right now, especially me just selling 5. You know, I had to sell a lot more than 5 to actually see a dent in tether increasing or Saitama decreasing. So there you guys go. That is literally how you use the full app as far as the BitMart account goes. If you guys go on over to the person tab, like I said before, it just shows pretty much your overall basic setting stuff like deposit, withdrawal, order history, invite friends. You can do that if you want to. Sign with the link down below and get yourself some free Bitcoin when you go ahead and buy stuff. Settings, messages, contact, and help. So all the basic stuff is right there, and you can also hide your money to not let anybody know how much money that you got in your BitMart account if you want to show somebody the app and you don't want to show them, like, you know, overall how that works. Either way, I got $150 in here right now. Like I said before, I'm going to be buying more. That's how much it's worth in Bitcoin. And that's pretty much it for this video. So try to make it as quick as possible for you guys. It's not really too much in depth as far as this app goes. I will post what the spot thing is about. I didn't find out in this video, but I will post something in the comment section to let you guys know what's up with this spot thing. I'm just not entirely sure So I'm gonna have to look that one up. But past that, there you guys go. That's all good to go. That is the BitMart app. That is how you buy Saitama, Inu, and other cryptocurrencies that are on this particular exchange that aren't on a whole bunch of other exchanges. And I think I'm actually gonna go ahead and buy some BitMart, pretty much BitMart crypto as well, because yeah, the BitMart token. I think I'm gonna go ahead and buy that as well, because if I'm gonna use this, I'm happy this app exists. So for me, I think this is actually a great fit for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just toss a little bit of money in here as well when I buy some more Saitama. Just putting that out there, letting you guys know, transparency. If you guys want to see all the crypto I have, make sure you check right up there. I just made a video talking about all the cryptocurrency I own. And that's pretty much it for this video. So if you liked it, definitely make sure you hit that like button. Definitely make sure you check out other videos on the channel, because I got tons of them regarding cryptocurrency, saving money, budgeting, credit cards, stocks, all that stuff is on the channel. If you want to see more content like this, of course, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll be dropping a lot more content going forward in the future. As always, you guys can always count on me to drop some videos for you guys to maybe teach you about something that you might not know about. So there you guys go. Take care of yourselves. I'm out. Stay safe. Dollar Mike. Peace.